which I should tell you the secret, and I will definitely tell you the secret, huh? Hello viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your friend Erica's Beauty Touch. For this video I want to loosen this my thread. I'm tired of using it, I'm tired of rocking it, so today I decided to lose it. So friends, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please try and do so. I know it will kind of difficult for me to lose because it's kind of tight now and kind of old. So let's watch me how I lose this hair by myself. And my own hairstylist. So keep watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please try and subscribe to my channel. Give me your thumbs up. During the lockdown, I rock my hair during the lockdown, and I am still rocking it. I'm thinking of what else to do. I don't really know what next I can do. So I'll share, like, and comment this video, okay? Video challenge. Okay, let's have a video challenge or what how to do that. So I'm still going to do video on that. Probably by today or tomorrow. That is the video challenge I just do. What I can do. I need to add some resources. You can see the way I knot it. I need to remove it from here. It's kind of difficult, but hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying my best to show it closely. You see it, you can see how knot it is here. So it's to just pull it out. I'm just pulling it out, nothing much. You see it? Pull it. So friends, if you've not really subscribed to my channel, try and subscribe to Erica's Beauty Touch. I have a lot to show. Okay, you will enjoy my videos, my channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please try and do so. Share videos, comment, and like for more videos, okay? Let's keep helping each other about you. Friends, I finished removing the crochet, so still using this weaving to I think my hair have grown. My hair is really growing fast. Yeah, if you want to know the secret, I will tell you the secret. The way I secret to my natural hair routine, I will let you know. Just let me comment which I should tell you the secret, and I will definitely tell you the secret, huh? Yeah, friends, I'm done losing the hair. I just need to go and wash it. You can see my hair is really growing and I'm happy. So tell me what you think about this hair. If you want to know the secrets of my natural hair, comment, share this video, thumbs up, press that sub button. Let me tell you the secrets of this natural hair. So soft too. I want to wash it. I'm going to wash it then with a black soap. Shinkitara black soap. That is only what I used to wash my hair. I don't use any other thing. If you want to know more about my natural hair, let me know in my comment box, okay? Please, friends, keep sharing. Share. I'm going to wash this hair. Then I will now think of what else to do to the hair. Please tell me what you think about having natural hair, no chemical. Your hair just natural, soap, real water. If you want to know more about this hair, you let me know. My hair is 6 months. 6 months. I think I'm trying. It's really trying. 6 months virgin hair. If you want to know, tell me. I will let you know. Tell me what you think about this hair. I'm just falling in love with my hair. Hair is beautiful. Hair is the natural hair is just beautiful and easy to maintain. All those chemicals we use on our hair knows how to destroy hair. All those relaxer and this thing, it can destroy our hair. You know, we Africans, our hair is not long, but when we maintain it, you will enjoy it. I know my hair is not full, but I'm liking what I'm seeing. Not like when I was applying relaxer or different chemicals in the name of maintaining my hair. So friends, please subscribe to my channel, share, like and comment, okay? My hair is so soft that I can over rock it like this. I can rock it. I can rock it anyhow I want. Don't worry, I'll make video on how to style this natural hair. So friends, please share, comment.